Want to see magic?
One, two.
Let us paint with this brush. Ready? This is red color. Can you say red?
Red!
We are red. This is yellow color.
Yellow!
Can you say yellow?
Yellow!
Hi, we are yellow. I am pink. This is blue color.
Blue, blue!
My dress is now blue color. This is green color. Can you say green?
Green!
We are green.
We are green!
This is orange color. Orange. These are sweet oranges. Wow! So many beautiful colors.
Yay!
These magic brushes will help you paint the world in bright colors. Wow, thank you, Fairy.